Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles.
Hey, beautiful babes. Sweet Angel here, like right here again. Aren't y'all tired of looking at me? Oh, please say you're not, because I am not tired of doing what I do. Woo! It's holiday time. Welcome to the Vlogmas number what? Bam! That's what I'm talking about. Yes, indeed. I know y'all saying, girl, how could it be Vlogmas Day, this, that, or the other, and you got the same clothes you had on the other time? Well, that's because it's Vlogmas for me. It's Vlogmas for you. You see in my face every day, so let's not get into that, okay? But I have a gift I bought myself, and I thought it would be a great gift for you, or possibly for someone, and you may not even know you needed this, but I know you needed it. This is the acrylic cosmetic organizer, and it's from Amazon. Y'all know I've been getting all those gorgeous fragrances from Dossier, and honey, I need somewhere to put my stuff, okay? So I have completely restarted my whole perfume collection. And I started with Dossier because I know there will possibly be, which is going to be hard for me to do this, some fragrances that I may buy the authentic one. But right now, these inspired fragrances just got me. I'm smelling good. Okay? But I needed somewhere to house them. And I wanted to try this out to see if it's going to work for me. It may work for a minute until I need a whole tower for all of my perfumes. But we're going to put it together. You can use it for your makeup. You can use it for your perfume. Whatever you want to use it for. But I'm going to use it for my perfume. But it says it is the organizer. It's a 360-degree rotating 7 adjustable layers. And of course, it's transparent. So let's get into it. And honey, it doesn't take me long to get into it because when the post office delivered it, which it came by the post office and not Amazon today, it was already like open on the bottom. So hopefully my screws and things did not come out. If it did, lose my stuff now, I'm going to be highly upset. And I'm going to be calling Amazon. Like, send me some more stuff. Send me some more stuff. Okay? So let's do this. Okay. It looks like everything may be in here. I'm not sure. But there again, I don't feel any screws, y'all. I'm going to be sad if it's not all here. Oh, they're inside. Thank you, Jesus. Okay. Let me get my instructions out because it doesn't seem like it'll be difficult to put together, but I know I'm going to need this. All right. So let's put this over here. And I have my instructions right there. So these are the little inserts. Okay, so it's adjustable, so it has little slots and all of that in here. So I'm just going to take these out. I can handle this. I can do this. So if you buy one of these, watch my video and I'm going to show you how to professionally put this together. I know, right? So let's just turn some music on. Thank you. And let me read. So that goes there. Okay, that goes there. A and B goes like. This is the bottom. I'm just talking it out. Oops, I almost dropped it. I'm just talking it out, just trying to make sure. Oh, maybe it doesn't need screws. I don't know. Very interesting. So, this goes. Oh, wait a minute. It's this piece right here. Almost messed up, girl. You almost messed up. This is the swivel. Okay. So that goes like so. And it has the little. Okay, it just pops right in like so. You don't want it just sliding. Isn't that cute though? It's cute. Let me get y'all in closer. That's just rude. How can I not have y'all closer? Isn't that cute though? That's cute though. So what I want to do is kind of measure out my perfumes and see. I want to measure out my perfumes and see how tall they are. Okay. So how many can fit there? Can 2 fit there? Yes. Absolutely, 2 can fit there. So now we take these little shelves and we're going to fit it on there. So it's like 4 of those. And then just slide in. So if I put that one there, cool. If that's right there, then another one can fit there. This is going to be a lot of space. I need to figure out how to put these bands on though. That's what I'm confused about. And you know they have these little drawings and I cannot see that. I don't understand that. Girl, I'm so confused about which way it goes. Does it go like that? I guess that's all it is, y'all. That's easy. Once you put that in, then it's good. So I guess I just need to do that for the other things because I sure didn't. I sure didn't put the bands on. Girl, that's so easy. I'm so crazy. Y'all see how simple that is? And I just need to secure the base and the top here as well. How to get to it though? That's crazy part. Perfect. Your girl is in business. This is so cute. I'm actually taking this in my bedroom though. This is where all of my fragrances are going to be housed. Right on here. I got my cordless screwdriver out for nothing. Didn't even need it. How about that? So it's not gonna be like a forever kind of thing, because if you put a lot of wear and tear on it, it's gonna break. So don't put your salt and pepper shakers on it. All right, so that's perfect. Let me take these out and flip it over and secure that base. Of course, that ain't gonna work.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat.
So this is it, beautiful babes. This is where it'll be sitting here on my dresser. So pretty. That is so pretty. I love it. That's it. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Beautiful babes, like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all know what to do. If you enjoyed today's video, tell somebody where you're hanging out at. Please share your girl with your world. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the